Shaggy, how am I supposed to get work done? Excuse me, little mister. I have work to do. Can I get my work done? Hello? Do you mind? I'm trying to do work, sir. I have work to do. Hello? Mr. Renfro? I have work to do. Can I work? Shaggy, I got work to do. Oh my goodness, little boy. Where are you going? You gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Where are you going? Shaggy. Where are you going? Shaggy. Where are you going, sir? Excuse me, I'm trying to work, sir. Hello? Can I get some work done? Can I get some work done? Can you say hello? Hey, little buzzard, what you doing? Hello? What are you doing? Do you know how difficult it is to work with you? Do you know how difficult it is to work with you? Excuse me. I need to work. I need to work. Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's so sweet. It's so sweet. You almost like you're sweet. Give it just a minute and you won't be. Little rambunctious little rat. What you hear? You goofball. You goofball. You're gonna fall. What are you doing?